A Turkish expert says U.S. operations in Afghanistan disregard the Asian country's tremendous suffering, noting that the U.S. has spent huge amount of money on the military, instead of on civil infrastructure in the war-torn country.
Afghanistan has been the focus of the United States global war on terrorism strategy, but however, this project was far from understanding Afghanistan's tremendous suffering. Without understanding the realities of the Afghanistan, without internalizing the social complexity of the country, meaning hearts and minds. And plus, I think it is very important to underline that the United States spent millions of dollars under the budget made overseas contingent operations, but the large amount of this budget was spent for the military, but not for the investment for the infrastructure and the investment of the country at all.